All right. On to another spark plug job.
Out here. Spark plugs. Getting them changed. Channel 711 coming to you. Dude, how was that? That's how I was moving.
Yeah.
Nigga was moving.
That's odd, dude.
Shit. We're from front wheel drive, literally went from a Ford Escort dude to an Infiniti G35. It's just all about pretty much dedication, grind, dude. Shit. Get what you want.
Yeah.
He said he's got a spacer right here, so I can that's the only mod that's on here, it's just a spacer.
Right.
Yeah. And cold air intake, but it's trash. Looks like it's filthy.
Oh, filthy.
Master tool.
Tool man. Master tool.
The fact.
Damn it. Come on, Hayden. What are you doing?
And I bring my spark plug in there.
Fuck, man.
This ratchet's a piece, bro.
You ain't got no screw gun, man.
See that?
Nah, I ain't got an impact.
Damn, G, come on, man.
Impact that shit. I'll learn my lesson.
This
How
one
you think about these? Comment. Let me know how you feel about Bosch double iridium. Iridium.
Well, your hands ashy.
I wash my ass. Look, I've been working on shit. I've been doing shit, dog. I'm like hating on me.
Did you test drive this before you got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, good.